In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set smart content for CTAs. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account to work with call to action buttons and tailor them to different audiences. Smart content simply means your CTA adapts to who's viewing it. So new visitors, returning leads, and existing customers can each see the most relevant message, design, or destination, all from a single CTA. Before we start, a quick heads up. The CTAs tool and smart content features are available only on certain paid plan tiers. If you don't see the option in your account, check your subscription or ask your admin to confirm your access. Also, make sure you're logged in with the right permissions for marketing tools. Let's get you to the right spot. Begin on your account's homepage. From the main navigation at the top, open the section labeled More. Depending on your screen size or your navigation settings, not every tool will be shown by default, and More is where the additional options live. From there, choose Marketing. This brings you into the marketing workspace where your conversion tools, like forms, emails, landing pages, and CTAs, are organized. Next, select CTAs. This opens the CTA dashboard. Here you'll see your library of call to action assets along with performance data like views, clicks, and click-through rates. You can search, filter, and review the status of each asset so you know exactly what's live and what needs attention. This is also the area where you'll work with smart content. The interface provides options to add smart rules and preview how different audience segments will experience your CTA. A quick strategy note before you configure anything. Define your segments and outcomes first. Decide who should see which version, such as first-time visitors versus leads on a specific list, and clarify what action you want them to take. Keep your default version strong and broadly applicable, then layer in a few targeted variants where they'll have the biggest impact. Consistent naming helps a lot. Use descriptive names so you and your team can recognize each CTA and its variants at a glance. And when measuring results, align your tracking with clear goals and consistent UTM parameters so each variant's performance is easy to compare. That's it for navigation. You've gone from the home page into More, into Marketing, and into CTAs, exactly where smart content for CTAs is managed. If your plan includes it, you're ready to tailor your CTAs to each audience and lift conversions with focused, relevant messaging. Thanks for watching and happy optimizing.